Hi there, students. A dud, or duds as a slang word. Okay, a dud particularly is a round of ammunition or a bullet or an explosive that fails to fire. It fails to detonate. So he pulled the trigger and there was just a click, but that was because the bullet was a dud. More widely from that, we can then say a dud is any device, any machine that doesn't work properly. So it's failed to work. So that car I bought is a real dud. I can never get it to work properly, and it's always in the garage. I'd like to be able to take it back to the guy who sold it to me. The guy who sold you that photocopier sold you a dud. So something that does not work, it doesn't have any value. Are there any more batteries? Because this battery is a dud. He's made 4 successful movies, but his latest one was a dud, a failure. Yeah, it wasn't successful. Yeah, it just didn't work out. It didn't have any value. The man tried to pay me with a dud check. Yeah, a bouncing check. So something that is not successful, something of little value. The project turned out to be a dud, and we were not successful at all. So something without value. That investment you recommended to me, it was a dud, and I lost all of my money. The fridge that I bought second hand, it was really cheap, but it was a dud. Yeah, it just didn't work properly. So then duds. Duds can be clothes. It's a bit of an old-fashioned word, but clothing or your personal belongings, your duds. But it's a bit old-fashioned, that. But a dud is something that doesn't work, particularly a bullet or an explosive. It's something that's faulty. It's broken. It's not working. It's useless. Yeah, it just doesn't work. Okay, so I guess a person could be a dud, an ineffectual person. He's a complete dud when it comes to playing football. He's a complete letdown. Okay, the switch is a dud. It just doesn't work properly. I bought a new chip for my computer, but it turned out to be a dud. It just wouldn't work. The information that he gave me was dud, and it didn't do me any good at all. So it's dud. It's just a failure. It's something that is not good. It has no value. A dud check. Okay, the value itself was 0. It just was something completely valueless. Okay, so a dud is something that doesn't work properly. It's something that's faulty, damaged, or broken. I got a new secretary, but the new secretary was a dud. Was no good at the job. A flop, a failure. Okay, so this battery is a dud. The critics have labelled this new car as a dud. The whole plan turned out to be a dud. Yeah, it wasn't any good. So, duds for clothes, formality. 3.5 in formality. A dud. A dud car, a dud computer. 3.5 in formality. Use it informally. maybe 4. I think you might be able to use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, but it's pretty informal. And then dud. Let's see, there's a Middle English word, dud, meaning a cloak or some sort of mantle. Old English, dudder, but well. So anyway, a dud. Bye for now.